Why is it important to be able to take criticism in your life? Well, in Proverbs 9:9 or 9:8, it says, rebuke a mocker, he'll hate you for it. Rebuke a wise man, he'll love you for it. The more that we can take in feedback, the more that we can look at ourselves and grow. Well, how would someone become a mocker, as translated? A mocker would be a person who's still shaky inside. They're afraid that they're not okay, so they get reactive to any type of negative feedback. Any type of rebuke is very difficult for them. What does God want to do in our lives? He wants to take care of that need. He wants to let us know that we are loved, we are valued in Jesus Christ. We are forgiven. We have been given righteousness through Jesus and what he did for us. From there, we get a sense of peace. And we can be open to feedback in our life, whether it's negative or whatever. We can take it and we can grow. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, salam alaikum, la paz de dias en tu viaje. God's peace be with you on your journey.